Crepitus describes any grinding, cracking, or popping that occurs when moving a joint. This patient has a cracking ankle joint without pain, swelling, no restricted movement. It doesn't indicate arthritis or other medical condition. Some of the treatment techniques we perform. The cracking sound is also audible during the treatment because when we are taking the joint to the end range with low amplitude force application, this is because air bubbles that form within the synovial joint are collapsed during the force application. Manipulation technique used to improve joint mobility and to improve pain and symptom. Joint cracking, tendons snapping over the joint surface, without pain and symptom is considered normal.